everyone, it's me, Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I hope you're doing well. I don't know about y'all, but my goal this year was I really wanted to start trying to dress nicely. My go-to is always like very baggy shirts, very baggy clothing, and my goal this year was I really wanted to try dressing more how I actually want to dress, because life is too short to worry about what others think of you. And so I really wanted to spice up my wardrobe a little bit. My last clothing haul video was a SHEIN haul, and I got some really cute pieces from that haul that I still wear to this day. A lot of people have been asking like, oh, any updates on the clothing. I haven't had any issues so far yet, like with clothing ripping. Even my mesh kind of sheer strawberry top, it's still in really good condition. I haven't had any loose threads or anything, and it's been a while since that video. And today I'm actually super duper excited to share another clothing haul with y'all. Not only is it another clothing haul, it's another SHEIN haul. SHEIN was super nice enough to want to work with me again, so thank you to SHEIN. I really appreciate it. My preferred aesthetic is more love core, a lot of reds and a lot of pinks, but in general I wanted to implement more kind of pastel clothing into my wardrobe. I have a lot of like dark clothing and like either white t-shirts, so I wanted to implement more like tops, more long sleeves, more pastels, things like that. I wanted to force myself to not just wear t-shirts all the time. I know how hard it is to find cute pastel clothing in plus sizes, so I'm really excited to show you all this haul. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That would mean so much to me and it really helps out the channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. That also means the world to me. Please be sure, if you haven't already, click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more clothing haul videos, let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. So this first item is this really cute like light lavender long sleeved crop top. Actually, I thought it'd be a little bit longer, but it's actually pretty cropped. But I love that it's a long sleeved. It has really cute lace detailing on the neckline, and it has a cute little bow on it as well. I really like it. It's really cute. I was really excited that it actually fit. My standard size right now is 3XL, so with SHEIN, I will say definitely look at the reviews. The sizing can be pretty weird on SHEIN. So this is actually a 4XL, and I was only a little bit nervous because I do have bigger arms. So with it being a long sleeved, I was nervous that it wouldn't fit, but it fits really well. I actually really like it. Next item is a color I don't really have in my wardrobe. It's this very cute, very soft baby blue, sky blue cardigan. It's a cropped cardigan. It's so hard to find a cute pastel like blue clothing item in plus sizes, and this one actually fits super duper well. Like I said, it's cropped, so I'm definitely gonna have to layer it over something. I ordered it in a 4XL because I wanted a more kind of like slouchy look, if that makes sense, and honestly this is like perfect sizing for it. It was just oversized enough for me, but also still fits, so it's not falling off my body. So if you want a more fitted look, I would suggest using your regular size. If I went to a 3XL, it'd probably be a little more fitted. It'd be my actual size. It is very thick. I will say it's a very like not super thick material. It's still kind of sheer. I'm really happy that this fits. I'm super happy that it fits. Okay, this next one I'm a little bit nervous about, I'm not gonna lie. I don't have a lot of tops like this. I don't have a lot of rainbow. I mostly have rainbow cardigans, so I'm nervous to see how this one looks. Oh my god, it's super cropped. Can you see this? Do you see this? It's super cropped. It really reminded me of growing up in the early 2000s. You know, I wish I could dress like this. Little me wanted to dress like this so bad, like Limited 2, but Limited 2 did not cater to fat children. So this color palette just reminds me of like Lizzie McGuire, Lindsay Lohan. I don't know, I just get that vibe. And it's this really cute like mock neck, and look, there's a heart cut out. Can you see that? Look, there's a heart cut out. It's so cute. I saw it was listed as a crop top, and I was like, oh, it won't be too bad, I'm pretty short. No, it's very cropped. For my personal comfort, I'm either gonna have to wear like a cami under this or with very high-waisted pants, because I lift my arms and something's gonna slip out. But it's very cute, but Ugh, I hate that it's so cropped. I wish this was just a normal tee. I wish this was just a normal tee. I'm speaking on my personal preference. I don't like wearing crop tops a lot. I'm not at that point in my life where I'm too comfortable wearing crop tops yet. I hope to one day, and I'll definitely be wearing this all the time. But I'm really also happy that the sleeves fit. Very grateful these work, and also this material is very stretchy. I ordered this in a 4XL. It's very cute. I don't know how practical it is. Again, for reference, I am 5'5", and this is very, very cropped on me. Love the color, love the heart cutout, love the material, love the aesthetic. I don't know how often I'd wear it. Thankfully in videos and my streams you can't really see the bottom part of me, so hopefully it'll be useful for videos and streams since it's mostly just my top half. Just wearing it out in real life, I don't know how comfortable I'd be with that. So these last few ones are strawberry themed because strawberry girl summer. I love strawberries, my favorite fruit, and I love that aesthetic. Okay. This next one, when I tell y'all, I saw it on the website, I fell in love with it. It's just so cute. I opted for this style. It's this long sleeved blouse and it has strawberries on it. This one has that perfect like neckline that I like. Long sleeved. I guess the term could be like bubble sleeves because there's ruching in random parts of the sleeve, like different midpoints, and it's just so pretty. There is a lot of ruching, which is good for sizing wise. It does give you some more wiggle room in there because it's so stretchy because of that ruching, but there's so little top. So it's definitely a crop top. I, for reference, am 5'5", and I don't consider myself that tall, but it's very short on me. But look, it's like, can you even see this? Look, this much of ruching, and then it's only this much of the bottom. Like, it's so short. It's a little bit ridiculous. Like, this top is mostly just that ruching material. But again, it's good if you're not too sure on the sizes. I ordered a size 4XL, but I honestly, maybe I could have sized down a bit because of how much wiggle room there is. The only thing I was concerned about, which made me size up, were the sleeves. Like I said, sleeves is where I have the most difficult time. It actually fits really well. It definitely gives me cottagecore vibes, and I honestly feel like a princess wearing it. It's so cute. My one, again, complaint is that it's so short. Like, come on. Very comfortable. The only thing is because I sized up and because it's so stretchy, the sleeves do fall from my neckline a little bit, but other than that, I think it's really pretty. I could either wear it like this or off the shoulder as well. I'm really happy with this piece. It's really cute. I'm gonna be a strawberry cow this summer. That's the vibe. Hot girl summer, strawberry cow summer. So this next item is, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a cardigan, but there's no buttons. A lot of people would just use it as a top itself. I'm definitely going to be wearing something under it because I doubt that's going to close all the way for me. It's this really cute pink like cardigan with those strawberries on the side. It has 4 strawberries on each side. It just has this little tie. I've seen a lot of people use it as just a top on its own for that kind of like very like 90s, like kind of reminds me of Drew Barrymore, Jennifer Aniston style. I definitely will not be doing that. It does not close all the way for me, so I'm definitely gonna have like some sort of cami or tank top under it. I feel like this also would look cute over like a dress, like a sundress. Love the color. I love the shade of pink. It's like the perfect shade of bubblegum pink. I love it. I don't know if the camera picks up on it, but there's like there's a lot of ridges on it and it's very ribbed, so it gives it this really cool texture. It feels like a very light material, so I feel like I wouldn't heat up in it. I will say though, there's like little to no stretch in the sleeves now that I'm kind of like messing around with it. The strawberries are actually super duper cute. I really love how vibrant and red they are, and like I said, I can't wait to layer this over a few other clothing items. I ordered this in a 4XL, and this is definitely not a 4XL. Comparing the sleeves and the fit of the like bodice in comparison to the strawberry like white top that we just opened up. Definitely not the same for XL. That's a frustrating thing with not just Shein, but like clothing in general, like clothing brands. One size doesn't translate to the same size in another brand or another style. I don't know why that is. I wish it was like a universal size. As a plus size person and looking for cute clothes, I'll get what I can get, you know what I mean? Like, I'd rather this than like a shirt with skulls on it. The last part of this haul, the last clothing item, and I saw they started carrying this. Oh my god, it's a strawberry sweater vest. So I ordered the same size. It seems to be the same shade of pink as the last one that I got. I just got it because it was cute and had strawberries. I'm not really too sure on the practicality of it, especially in the summertime. I definitely think in the wintertime it'll be perfect. This material is very thick and it's very soft and it's very warm. The largest size available for this sweater vest is actually a 3XL, but it's definitely not true to size in terms of it being super oversized. It's definitely, I'd wear it with a long sleeve top underneath or a button up top. That's how I styled it last time. But it's really, really soft. It's really, really cute. And look at that. Like, I love the contrast of the pink and the red. This kind of counts as love core, right? It's pink and red. And that was my second Shein haul. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which piece was your favorite? Personally, my absolute favorite was the white long sleeve strawberry top. It is so cute. It's so precious. I feel like I'm on Little House on the Prairie. Like, I feel like a cottagecore like fairy. Like, it's so cute. I love that top. Thank you again so much to Shein for sending me these pieces to unbox and review for you all. All the links for all the items featured in the video will be listed in the description box down below if you're interested in any of them. If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That would mean so much to me and it really helps out the channel. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. That also means so much to me. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more clothing hauls, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Be sure to check out all my other social media links. They'll be listed in the description box down below. Let's follow each other. Let's be friends. Thanks to all of you for watching my videos and enjoying them. It truly means a lot to me because without y'all I wouldn't be able to work with brands like Shein, so thank you very much. I'm super appreciative. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful in any way, and I hope you have a great and magical, wonderful day. Bye!